Commit me playing to Kaboka, and we're gonna delete all the houses and make just a normal house because I have a lot of houses and they're already all built. So I'm gonna take them all out, and I've been wanting this place. I need a police station, but I didn't buy it yet. My daughter didn't let me buy it yet. But she said it is so expensive. Is this a boy? Clearly, girl. Just and a little guy. So wait for me, guys. Let me come back. Now I have my pen. So let's go to the house. We're and that is all of I hate throwing houses. It is a struggle. We're gonna throw this now it's all good, and we're just gonna here, and I'm gonna just take this thing off, but I don't want in the middle of the road. So if I have kids, they can play outside. It's the God Bear Peak. We're gonna go for this pod. This. And we're just gonna make this neat and no. I'm just gonna choose a mansion that I ready to decorate. I've been wanting this. I forgot this. It's an underground. But you need to go to 0 bunker. It's a bunker. I can do it. And I don't need that. I don't want to do. For this design, there's marker. Wait, do I always get this? So guys, you wanna hear this ASMR? It's literally so low. Oh, oh my god! This thing is so cute. I literally like it. It's like a squishy. I'm sorry, I'm a creep. And by now it's good. We're just gonna fix the floor here. It needs to be rocks. Right, guys? Like this thing. And this thing needs to be like grass. Because the kids will play there. Maybe this grass. But this is much cute. And we're just gonna go for a normal wall there, like this thing is kids. god, the lights are on. It's literally morning. So after that, we're gonna go inside, and this thing is not right. Like, we're gonna go like for some things. No, it's Subway. Maybe some these na lang. Yep, that's cool. And now, okay, now for the wall. I don't like that wall. Like, this is always my style. It's like just wallpaper, but it's like already paint. It's like paint walls, but it's like just, I don't know why is the wallpaper like that. And I don't. Oh my, it's so cute. And the grass there is just gonna be like that. No, I'm just gonna like do the grass like that over there, and like that's good. Like the grass is all shaped because I don't like grass. The kids would just like do that, and they would say to their mom, "Thank you." Like, this is the nice view of their sea. So now is it done? We're gonna go to the bunker under. We're gonna do all of the wallpapers first. I do not like if I forgot. If I do that the last part, I forgot it and I'm gonna forgot there. That's why today I like this bunker. It's an underground bunker, guys. I don't know why do they have a bunker. This is the style of my bunker. Now we're gonna put it. There you go. We're just gonna throw this. Oh my god. Just let me just get something. So guys, I'm gonna eat while I'm role playing. So hard. We're gonna go to the second floor. Oh, there you go. Actually, don't bad. You guys are eating so sour. That's why I don't like that. Oh my god, it's so sour. Do you eat santol? I don't eat the like the outside. I'm just eating the mm-hmm. So sour. It's like Sour Patch Kids. Say you wish. Mm. It's super sour. Mm-hmm. We have cool. Uh, now it's done, and we're gonna design here first. First, we're gonna get to your sofa. Go. Get. Mm-hmm. Yep, it's how I'm doing. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Good day. Now maybe like this na lang. That's all good. Then we're gonna get a big, large table joke. Let me get it again. Oh my. It is so sour. So sour. Ow! I forgot where was the floaties. Oh my god. Oh look, I found it. all good hill. We're gonna put a done. We're gonna put a shower here. So sour. I swear. It is so literally hate this. It is a disaster. Now next we're just gonna go here. Where the kids they're done. We just come by here. I cannot break this thing. What do you want? Now it's popping out. See? This is gonna be a fail. Next, it is a single mother. That is all good for it, and we're just gonna put light. These lights are important. Let's not put Christmas. Four. Now for the root. It tastes so sour. This is gonna be the it is so sour. First is first. It cannot be left behind. So if the mother sleeps here, or that too sleeps there too. Can they fit two here? Let me try some. Oh no, the one is older. And oh, we're just gonna put one. We're gonna put light. But pero ang lights parang ano lang, because of I'm just gonna like put some salt para doon. So okay niyan, maglalagay na lang tayo ng carpet. So your mom's doing it. It's already done. Oh my god, I am tired of playing. After this, what should I put here? Like carpets? Like you would just, this is like an empty space. And like, where should be the bathroom? We're just gonna like shield all over, and like that's the bathroom. Like this is the makeup room. Let's shield. And then there's like some doors there. Because if there's little girls outside, and boys getting back, nah. Pretend may ulang na rin yun. And we're just gonna use this bathtub. Like this thing. How should we? Where should I put the bathroom? Maybe here. There's gonna be more. And we're just gonna use shower. Alright. Nobody goes. Nobody is bad. Like just the sink. Like we're just gonna put a sink. So after that, like this just plain. I don't know what to put here. This is just gonna be the nice view. This is gonna be the sun. This is gonna be so comfortable. Like all of the visitors will like this house. But dahil force may may pakandog pinsan niya. Tapos like so dito may painting. So it's all good. So after this naman guys is dito is di ko alam. Feeling ko dito is ano lang, vanity room. Last down. So maglalagay tayo dito ng desk. Yan, tig-isa pa yung dalawa na yun. Pag mo tapunin yun. Yan, ang isa pa rito. And of course, yung chair. Ito daw ko kay dito daw kasi. Sa younger. Ayun na daw siya. And then, gusto daw niya screen. Okay, nasa first floor na tayo. So guys, there you go na. Ayaw ko na sa inyo wait lang, ayaw ko na mag-part 2 sa roleplay na lang. Pero pag house, di pa tayo sa 0 floor. Ito pa yung de-decorate natin. I remember this. Nilalagay tayo ng ball pit para hindi sila maboard. So, kuha tayo ng ball pita. Ball pita. Ball pegs. Ipapadalawa ko na para maging mahiwas pa. Yan, dalawa na yan. Wala na sa akin mag-judge na. Ibahan ako na parent. Yan, dito mga magkichismisan na mga magulang mo. Yan, maglagay na tayo guys ng mga ganitong ganito na lang na chair yung ilalagay ko guys. Yan, dito. Tatlo lang yan. So after yan, okay na yan. So dito, pagdating mo dyan, ganyan. Pagdating mo dito, kitchen! So, papagandahin natin yung kitchen. Ito lang guys yung ilalagay ko na ano. And of course, yung ref. Hindi tayo makakalimot ng ref. Baka kasi hindi tayo makakain. Ay, oven pala yan. Ito naman yung kailangan i-open. Yan. Alay yung lights. Ayan natin. So, maglagay muna tayo ng mga mga kailangan ilagay sa freezer. Hala siya nag-lag. Dalawang ganyan lang. Hey, eto may pusit. Kahit hindi ako kumakain yan. Hayaan na natin. At least may pagkain sa rin. And kahit di naman talaga ako nagluluto kasi nakakahuga. And of course, di tayo makakalimot ng eggs. Yan lang kasi yung pinakagusto ko lutuin. Then of course, sa drinks na tayo, mga kabebe. Eto. Ala siya po. Uy, ayaw na ito maalis, oh. Gusto na lang natin. Hindi na naglalag. Isang ganito, isang ganito, isang ganito. Bahala na. Wag ng egg. Uy, wag ng egg. Talaga. Yan. Kung sino lang gusto ng iba't ibang flavor. Ayan, dito na tayo sa baba, guys. Eto. Mga ganyan yung linalagay ko mga ingredients. Yan, para hindi tayo mawalaan. Para pag may naganap, andyan lang yun sa ref, be. Yan, may tofu. Eto, may pepper, may salt. Wala, dalawang ano na lang. May toyo, diba? May toyo pa dyan. Kaso walang hot sauce mo. Yan, maghanap na lang kayo din. May cereal pa dyan na may M&M's. Uy, wag niyang talaga, dito. Ay, water. So, yan. Okay na po yung ref namin. Next sa plate na po tayo. Di ko alam kung mag-social ba yung plate. Bakit ka naman mag-aasa na mag-social yan? Sorry lang po. Hindi po tayo nag-aasa. Kung ano na lang yung nandyan, yan na lang. Diba yung plate madami? Alam mo kung ano naman yung plate. Dito lalagay lang tayo ng mga bowls. Dito, wala na lang kayo dyan ilagay. Bakit nakamalan naman nila yun? So, ito guys yung gagamitin ko na table. And of course, my chair. Ito guys, glass chair. Uy, wag ko yung mag-judge. Pero, maganda naman kung hindi nyo gusto yung pag-decorate. Wag na lang po kayo manood kung hindi nyo po gusto yung pag-decorate ko. Pero kung gusto nyo po, thank you po for watching this vlog. Kung palagi po kayo nanonood and nagsusubscribe and like and share. So magkuha muna tayo ng lightening. So eto. Maglagay na lang tayo dito ng ano. Ay, wag po dyan. Dito, para mailaw. So, after nyan, dito na tayo. Ay, di ko na lang i-decorate, guys, yung underground. Kasi, pag nagpapagyo, tayo na, hindi na sila magde-decorate. Hindi ko na decorate. Magbibili na sila ng so, yan. Dito yung gagawin ko nga, di ko ang alam eh. Magiging sofa room ba lahat? dyan. Kasi di ko na talaga ano ilalagay ko. Pag may visitors na, dyan to naglalagay. Dito. So, guys, tapos na po. Magawa na lang po tayo ng characteristic po. Balikan ko muna kayo, guys. Wait lang. Magbababa lang ako ng bed. Tapos na kaagad. Ay, sorry!
Ay ko! Bihira mo, May! Hindi ka nag-ibon?
So, yan.
Bibi, may incognito to. Matiping na sila.
Yay!
Ay, nag-record.
Sorry. Okay na yun. Para maaraman na ra. Guys, may incognito to, no? Excited na po ako. Kasi natapos na namin.
Ang tanggal mo na yung nasaksak? Ang sakit? Or ako yung nakatanggal?
Ikaw. So, yan. Ito, baby lang, guys. Super white. Sinabaw mo ang ihi-ihi sa ihi ng kambing. Oh, wow. Wow. Sabaw mo ang ihi ng kambing sa inyong luto. Charis lang. Balik na lang natin guys yung color. Guys, nabane. Isigaw mo na lang kakabari. Wait yung dito ang cute na ito. Then of course yung damit. Yan yung mga damit na ginawa ko. Pero ayaw ko yan. Oh my God! Sabaw mo ang ihi ng kambing. Oh, wow! Oh, wow! Gawa pa tayo ng kambal niya. Pero magkaiba. Magka-same style po sila ng hair po. Kasi yan yung cute. Hindi naman po talaga sila ginagawa na twins. Pero trip ko lang po. Kasi gusto daw ng mami na magpapala daw ng twins. Kaya kanyang color. Yung color ng eyebrows. Basic lang po yung baby. Sa mother na po tayo. Mother Earth. Charis. Mother Earth. Yan. Magka-same tone po sila lahat. Pero blonde rin yung mom niya. Pero ganyan na light. Kasi ang mga mom, super light yung hair. And ito guys, ang gagawin sa mommy niya na hair. So, after nyan, gagawa na tayo ng eyes. Pero, okay nga kasi magkasi rin dapat sila ng eyes. Yun yung kulay ng eyebrows. So, yan. Damit na tayo. And tapos na kaagad. Ay, nalimutan ko yung earrings. Yung nose pala. So, palitan lang natin yung nose. mouse. Hindi yung bagay isa kanya. Ito guys yung gamit ko. And nataw. Then papalitan ko yung damit. Gusto ko guys ang homemade ko. Yung gamit. Ito yun. Ay, ina po sila guys! Itutuloy ko na po yung role play. Huwag na tayo magpatagal-tagal. Sabihin ko kayo pag magpa-part 2 ako, of course. Di ko lang yan i-end. Kasi baka magsabi kayo na wala ng part 2 and di na kayo update. Kaya, kung gusto nyo palagi kayo update, mag-subscribe sana. Kasi kung mag-subscribe ka, panalo na panalo yan. Hindi yun yung anak ko. Hindi naman na tayo hintayin natin yung visitors. Let's go to the second floor na. Okay po. Let's just go here. Wow. Let me see here. So, magawa naman ako guys ng mga damit na lang. Kasi pag ma-swimming, 13, meron pa akong madaming damit. Swimsuit muna guys. Ayan na damit. And para sa ano na lang. Shorts, ito lang. Feeling ko di naman kailangan. Feeling ko pag nag-ano, yun lang swimsuit. Cute kasi talaga yung swimsuit na eto. Pero rush guard yung gusto ng mami and tie. Then yan, ito yung rush guard. Ito daw yung short. Dalawa na yan. And magawa lang tayo na swimsuit. 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 Yan guys. Ganyan lang yung swimsuit. 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 Yung kay mami naman, yung rush guard niya. Gawin mo natin yung rush guard niya. Ano ba yung nakulay ang rush guard na lang? Ay, wait lang. Try ko maghanap white na rush guard. Wala kasi talaga ako long sleeve na white. And bakit naman to? Hindi naman kasi yung rush guard. Ito lang yung mayroong na rush guard. Pero diri man rush guard siya mama. Ay, eto o rush guard. Then, shorts na lang ako. Hindi ang pangat. Ang gamitin ko na shorts. Yan o kasi yung ginamit ko. Then swimsuit. Lagot na kasi eto guys yung swimsuit na gagamitin ko. Madaming-dami akong choice. Ay hindi to guys yung short. Yan yung shorts. So, iksi ng short ko yan. Alisin na natin yung pero pangit diba kaya lalagay pink. So yan, gagawa pa ako ng isa na swimsuit. So, eto guys yung gagamitin natin. And of course, magagamit tayo ng black na pala. So yun na guys, dahil tapos na. Ilalagay muna natin to sa kanilang bedroom. And kukunin ko na lang sila. Ito teleport ko lang sila. And wala pa naman. Tayo guys yung ano. Pagkasama lang naman kasi sa bedroom. sa labas. Transfer sa maliit na bahay or By the way, na-remember niyo ba ito? Hindi dapat yun dyan and hindi heart sa kanya store. Hindi yun. Hindi dapat yun. Hindi ang cards. Tinapon lang niya. Yan guys, dito na sa resort. Diba? So, how does it look like? Gusto nyo guys mag-swimming? Opo. Pag nandito na yung mga friends mo ha. Friends? Yes. Dalawa neto. Isa neto. May pangalaki mami na swimsuit na ginawa ka. Lahat na yan, pwede yun sa pangalaki. Yan, lagay ko. Mga pang swimming lang din yung ilalagay ko sa taas. Hindi naman magsiswimming yung mami niya, no? So, nandito na, pagsarapin na. O, saan ako? Ako yung youngest, diba? So, dito si ate yung oldest sa tabi ni mami, no? Tignan niyo yung lights, ganyan ng lights natin, ha? Oh, meron na. Meron ka pa niyan. Tignan mo, messy yung bed natin. So, yan, tara. Ayaw niya. Wait lang guys, nag-lock yung phone. Yung tablet ko, kaya mag-alis na muna tayo. Oh my god. Nandiyan pa yun. Nag-alis daw utay sila. Eh, ando na yung baby boy. So, itin niya. Ayaw na maganda eh. Di ba meron ditong lalaki na nagugustuhan? Ito utay. Ayan, sorry, mag-alis kami. Sorry. Nice to meet you. Ano na tayo? hindi po. May work po ako. Ay, sige. Bye-bye po. Bye. Ay, yung mga balls. Ay, joke lang. Yung boys. Tara na, swimming na. Ate? Ano po, kuya? Ito. Yung shoes po. Asok na ikaw. Pababa na kasi nakababa na yung punta tayo sa computer. Bye-bye guys. Comment for part 2.